members of the press from different organizations, the press in this country. My name is Alfred Akena, the district chairman for the local government, and I'm here speaking on behalf of colleagues, the district chairpersons of Acholi sub-region, as the chairperson of all the chairpersons in Acholi sub-region. We shall have time to introduce ourselves and make small synopsis of why we are here. But I want to use this opportunity to give you the background, the genesis of Acholi Local Government Leaders Forum. We are new leaders, as you are aware. Election concluded and we are in office 2 months from the time when we were sworn in. Acholi Local Government Leaders Forum is the icon of local government of the people of this region that will focus on bringing unity among the leaders and the people of Acholi. We want to focus on eradication of poverty. It is going to be a center because government is looking at moving from peasant to high middle income status. But when you look at our situation, you find that the poverty index in Acholi is still very high. Even when you compare in the 1960s, it was at 54%. But now we are in 70%. That means it is a concern that we cannot let it go. We need to address it squarely. And as leaders come, they must have a purpose. They must have a reason. And that is one of the reasons why we've been voted in office. We want to focus also on industrialization. For this economy to grow, we must industrialize our economy. Gulu City is well placed with a lot of opportunity, and that is why mayor is key in our arrangement. But also not in Gulu. If you look at the district like Nuaya, Amuro, Pade, there are so many industrialization that is coming up at small scale, but we need to embrace and give it a focus. We need to embrace and organize them to avoid haphazard thinking where we are manipulated. Like if you go to Pade right now, along River Aswa, there are a number of opportunities that are coming up of industries, of big farms, of tourism, and this we need to agree on how to address them, and it will develop this place. Land management reform. Our land falls under customary tenure system of management, but there is a lot of manipulation of the people. We want to agree. Should we live the way we are living? People, homes are dotted everywhere. But I think we need to find a way that people sit in clusters and leave land for farming. We need to agree that this customary land should not be sold away. This customary land can be hired so that we keep the land for our generations. So all this is area of our attention, security, Karamojong, the Balalo. So all these together are key areas of our terms of reference. But here we are gathered, we want to echo more on the current prevailing situation in our area of the hunger and food insecurity that is looming. We all know our potential here and the backbone of our country, more especially this region, is agriculture. We more rely on rainfall, which is not really effective now because of the climatic change, climatic vulnerability. So we need to switch onto other opportunities to complement the nature. And we shall talk about this as colleagues to give alternative opinion. Government has it all, but we are saying we need to assert ourselves on how we should be supported in the areas of irrigation, in the area of commercialization, and all this involve intervention of government to complement, to propel so that we move. Commercial agriculture involves tractor use. And if we don't have, commercial agriculture involves irrigation. Commercial agriculture involves experts. All these we need to see how we can bring them together. And today we are here to brief the people of this country that the Acholi Local Government Leaders Forum is committed to have a focus for the people here. Let me give this opportunity to my vice, a bold, simple man, to make a small statement.